Hello everybody, Steamboat Productions here, and today we're back with another BRIO review. This one's a little bigger this time, and it will be a little longer than the last one. We got the BRIO Santa Fe. So, this is a part of a series BRIO did last year, where it's basically a redo of their Around the World series. Now, this isn't as good as their original Around the World series, you know? And they did a Santa Fe back then as well, which was honestly kind of better in terms of, you know, length and stuff. But, you know, we got this guy now, so, yeah, let's open him up. So, yeah. Okay. So, this guy was $40, and I got this guy at New York, along with the little steam engine. So yeah. Alright. Ooh, okay. We got the BRIO, there's a pamphlet, checklist right here. And, yeah, I guess we'll gauge thing out. So, we got the fuel cargo piece right here. Okay. Their really overproduced engine piece, which, yeah, okay. Really cool. Now we got the Santa Fe. I'm going to hopefully attempt to get out. Alright. Packaging all out. Ah, yes. So yeah, let's get into this. So basically, this guy is a repaint of their F unit, which I have in here somewhere. Let me see if I can. Yep, found him. He's a repaint of this guy. I got this guy from got good old Nate right here from the. I don't remember I forgot what the set's called, but from the Quarry set. And yeah, it's basically a repaint of this guy. But yeah, in general, this guy looks really nice. It's kind of weird. It's got a weird mark there. Oof. But I guess because I guess that's just from all the traveling this guy's been going through. We got the front, very nice silver paint job right here. Good old Santa Fe logo here. We got a door in the back, which is brand new. The original didn't have a door. Actually, this is a new mold in general, since it doesn't have the ripples on the side, I just realized. So yeah, this is like a... Okay, so this guy is like a unique mold, which is cool. He's got his little wind wiper detail. 98 BRIO, and yeah, little sweet little guy. Next up, I have no idea why he comes with the BRIO vans instead of the regular, instead of coaches. I don't think they made coaches for this guy. I wish they did, but oh well. I think it would probably use the maybe the bullet train coaches, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, this is my first time having these BRIO box cars, and you can just set the cargo in here, and yeah. Really neat. Let me see what other cargo could fit in this. I got some Orbrium cargo. Yes, this does not fit in it. All right. I've got a container here. Yep, that also doesn't fit in it. I got some Hape cargo here. Yeah, also doesn't fit. Oh well. But this is, well, a BRIO item, so it's supposed to fit BRIO things. It's got little rotating bogies, which is pretty cool. I got another one here to put the engine in. And yeah. Really nice put together. This is a really nice pack. Also, the reason why it cost $40 is because I got it at a good old FAO Schwartz from New York. So yeah, that's where I got this dude from last video. So yeah, I'll be back because I do actually have another Santa Fe diesel F unit item. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and it is the I think it was like the lifelike Santa Fe. Yeah. Yeah, of course it lacks a lot of... Of course this lacks a lot of detail from this, but it'll be a nice little, cute little comparison. It lacks the yellow stripe down the front, which I was curious... I had a feeling it was lacking something. It also lacks the arrow sort of shape on top, which I was attempting to indicate on the side, you know? The side is accurate. Not too bad. Of course, there it has the door. And it has only one fan. I wish they plopped a couple of other fans on top. Oh well. So yeah. That was my review of the new BRIO. Well, it's not new, it came out last year, but of the BRIO Santa Fe. I do think it has a couple of flaws with it, but you know, it's very nice. I wish I got it for cheaper though. But yeah, recommend picking this up if you could. I guess it's time for the rail fanning section then, okay?